Hello, and welcome to this week's interactive case study. My name is Avery Ash, and this week we are talking about the drug vagabatrin. And I'm doing this in split screen because you'd given me the feedback last week about how it would be helpful to the audience to have the chimera visual before the text to help contextualize everything. I'm the opposite. I'm someone that needs the verbal the verbal information before the visual. Otherwise, I feel like I'm just looking at a blob of ribbons. So, split screen, so we have the best of both worlds. You can look at whatever piece of information you need to look at first. So with that, let's talk a bit about GABA. GABA is an acronym for the gamma aminobutyric acid, and it's the chief inhibitory neurotransmitter in the central nervous system. It blocks impulses in the brain, and low levels of GABA can lead to anxiety, mood disorders, chronic pain, and epilepsy. GABA can be taken supplementally to treat such disorders, and it binds to two different classes of receptors within the brain in order to do its job. Talking specifically about epilepsy, epilepsy is a group of neurological disorders that are characterized by recurrent epileptic seizures, and these seizures are caused by excessive and abnormal neuronal activity in the cortex of the brain. This is where vagabatrin comes in. Vagabatrin is an inhibitor. It inhibits the enzyme that breaks down GABA, and which is GABA transaminase, which is what we have pictured here in chimera. And I'm going to zoom in here. I colored my vagabatrin purple here so you can see where it binds. Vagabatrin is a structural analog of GABA, but it doesn't bind to the GABA receptors in the brain. So it allows GABA to continue doing its job without inhibiting that, but it stops the degradation of it by blocking its enzyme here. So here it's in purple. You can see how they're structural analogs. The vagabatrin, the only difference is it has this extra little appendage here across from the nitrogen hydroxide. We got that here. And yeah, it is used mostly in treating epilepsy, but it can also treat panic disorders as well. The ribbons back. So there you see it binds. And yeah, these are my sources. Thanks for coming along with me to learn about vagabatrin, and have a good night.